Good afternoon, all, and welcome to today's quick presentation. Private health insurance versus Medicare levy surcharge. Should I get private health cover, and how much would I save? Okay, my name is Ivan. I'm from Nexus Accounting. Nexus Accounting is an accounting firm based in Adelaide, South Australia. You can find further information about us on our website, nexusaccounting.au. Disclaimer, of course, please be advised that topics, ideas, and subjects covered throughout these presentations do not constitute accounting advice. Okay, Medicare Levy Surcharge, what is it? So Medicare Levy Surcharge is charged in addition to 2% Medicare levy that we all pay, and it's charged based on your income threshold. So if you are a single person, and we'll take it as an example, a single individual earning $140,000 as an example for this presentation. So if I'm a single individual with 140 grand salary, I'll be in tier 2, and therefore I'll be paying 1.25% Medicare levy surcharge. That translated to dollars equates to $1,750 on over and above the 2% of mortgage Medicare levy charged on my taxable income. So you might ask yourself, how much I need to spend on a hospital-only cover? We're not interested in extras. In order to avoid being charged Medicare levy surcharge, you need to have a qualifying hospital cover only. I mean, you can have the hospital and extras, but when it comes to Medicare levy surcharge, the only thing that will get you exempt from the Medicare levy surcharge is the hospital cover. And I've done some research, and I found this source at canstar.com.au. It was a nicely written article about how much does the private health insurance cost. And what they are stating is that if you are a young person under 36 years of age, the average cost of a hospital-only cover in Australia is about $2,200 per annum. And let's say that our subject here, the person that's earning 140 grand, as I mentioned previously, is under 36 years of age. So if he is to get hospital-only cover, he will be paying $2,257. Let's just assume that he will be paying that exact amount per annum. But what would have happened if he didn't have the hospital cover? So here's a screenshot of my tax agent software. So this is the screenshot of the actual software that we use to lodge tax returns to the Australian Taxation Office, and you can see here we did state taxable income of $140,000. Medicare levy, of course, well, we all pay that 2%, which is exactly 2,800. Makes sense. Medicare levy surcharge, and again, if we go back to the table, $140,000, so he will be paying 1.25%. Therefore, that is 1.25 times 140 grand, which is exactly $1,750. So, if this person did not have the qualifying hospital cover, he would be charged Medicare levy surcharge of $1,750. Now, if he did have the private health insurance, and we tick the box that I'm going to show you on the next slide, they will qualify him for a 365-day exemption. This person would save that same amount of money. So $1,750 back in your pocket. Now, not necessarily because you would need to pay the cost of the private health hospital cover, but some people might consider that a better option than paying a surcharge levy. So, and yes, the key question to answer in your individual tax return, it would be under the Medicare section, the M2 box, where it says that for the whole of the financial year where you and all of your dependents, including your spouse, if you had any covered by private patient hospital cover. And if you say no, then the exemption is 0 days. If you say yes, then you get a full 365-day exemption, providing that you had the hospital cover for the full year, and therefore you're not paying the Medicare levy surcharge. Now, Is this something, would this make you better off? I'm not exactly sure. That's entirely up to you to decide. But throughout this example, we have demonstrated that a single individual earning $140,000 pay $1,750 in a Medicare Levy Surcharge if he did not have the private health insurance or private health hospital cover, or he would pay nil if he had the adequate hospital cover for the entire year, and therefore saved $1,750 that he could then use to pay for this policy. So there you go. I'm hoping that you found this information useful. My name is Ivan from Nexus Accounting in Adelaide, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you once again, and wishing you all the very best.